Hi, this is Achyuta. I am living in Bangalore since last 6 years. So I have totally 11 plus years of experience in semiconductor domain. So presently I'm working as a senior validation engineer in Texas Instruments. In order to enhance my skills and quickly progress in career, I choose to pursue higher education in field of electronics and mathematics. I am looking for higher education without quitting my career. I came to know that Pilani is offering work integrated learning program for working professionals. I gone through the website of WILP. There I found programs offered by WILP. Actually, I want to pursue B.Tech. So I gone through the courses offered in B.Tech in engineering technology. So I found it to be relevant to my work. So I choose to pursue B.Tech in engineering technology. WILP offers online lectures over weekend. It doesn't affect my work schedule. In case if I miss any lectures, I can watch recorded lectures. Faculty members are very supportive and approachable. I would like to mention Samir Kale. I like his teaching methodology. WILP provides wonderful tools like remote labs and virtual labs. There we can conduct experiments remotely in my convenient time. I used multi-sim. So with that tool, we can design a circuit and we can simulate over there. Courses offered by WILP upgraded my analytical skills at work. I strongly recommend WILP program because WILP program offers flexible learning and they thought about the advanced technologies like IoT, and you don't need to quit your career to pursue higher education.